Hello friends, back again with my new video. So our topic today is what is poison test. Most of you think that I'm going to give you the presentation of poison, which is related to the medical terms, which causes death of any living beings. But no, today I'm going to give you the topic of poison, which is used in every industry, whether it is in automobile sector, manufacturing sector, or the service sector. This test is performed. Basically, this test is used to test the quality inspector skills to exactly know whether they are capable of maintaining the quality of the product or not. Uh, Um, so this test is performed means test the quality inspector who is working or who are working in process inspection stage, in process inspection stage, incoming stage, or at the final inspection stage. In all at every stages, this test can be performed. Okay, so this is a basic overview of poison test. Okay, firstly I will tell you the basic definition of this test. Poison test is used to test the quality inspectors whether they are able to identify the defective part with mixed with the okay part. Means it used to test the quality inspector skills whether they are able to find the defective part in any lot which is mixed with the okay part. Okay, this test is also known as a periodic test for the qualification of the quality inspector. Okay, so this is the basic definition of poison test. Okay. Okay, now I want to tell you scope of this test. The scope of this procedure is to ensure inspectors at all stages meet the specification and required standard are maintained. Means this test is used to ensure that the quality inspector who are checking in any part have to check the part according to the given standard. Whether they check the part in incoming stage, in process inspection stage, or at the final inspection stage. But most probably this test is performed at the final inspection stage because the inspector who are working at the final inspection stage should have high judgmental accuracy for finding the defect part in any product before dispatching it to the customer end. So they should have high judgmental accuracy for checking the accuracy of the quality inspector. This test is performed. Okay, process tests for this test. So these are the process for this for performing this test. Firstly, we take any lot. Suppose the lot of 100 part. In that lot, 95 part is okay and 5 part is not good. And mix both okay part and not good part in that lot and give this 100 part for visual checking to the quality inspector to segregate the defective part. Then this we should give that 100 part lot to the quality inspector for visual checking so that they should segregate that defective part means five defective part from that okay part and then verify the part after segregating and record this in the poison test report. And after segregating we record his performance in poison test report. If somehow quality inspector does not find all five defective parts, then give him training and again test him on the next day. If somehow he or she not able to find that five defective part, then we should our duty is to give him training or give them training and again test him or her on the next day. Okay, do poison test for all visual inspectors every month. Means this test is performed for all the visual inspector or for all the visual quality inspector in every month so as to maintain the standard of the product. Okay, so these are the steps for this test. Okay, format of poison test. So this is the basic format of this test. Firstly, we have to mention the logo of the company, name of the company, document number, revise number, revision date. Okay, then we have to mention the operator and inspector name and the location where the this test is performed. Suppose the location is at the final inspection stage, then we mention that location. Then we have to mention the date of the test as this test is performed in every month. So we mention that date. Then we have to mention the detail of the part. Then we have to mention the detail of the quantity of the part before test, means how much is the okay part and how much is the rejected part. Then after taking that test of the quality inspector, how much the quality inspector segregate the okay part and how much they segregate the rejected part. We mention that data. Then we have to mention the judgment. Judgment is the duty of the quality engineer or the quality coordinator who 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 they who coordinate that test. Then his duty is to judge the quality inspector whether uh, he is whether they segregate the okay part or whether they segregate the rejected part with the okay part. Then we have to, then the mention of the sign of the quality engineer, okay, and the remark if required. So this is the basic format of this test. Okay, thank you. I hope all of you got understood the concept or the topic of this test, what is this test and how it is performed. And if you have still have any doubts or query, please write in my comment section below. And if you like my video, please like it in my YouTube channel. So thank you. Okay.